quilting with Accuquilt Qubes. By the end of this video, you will know what an Accuquilt Qube is and how it can help your quilting and much more. Hi, I'm Linda Johnson and I've been quilting since Let me help you on your quilting journey. I ended up with an Accuquilt due to a wrist injury. It was impossible for me to cut fabric with a rotary cutter, and it was either give up what I love to do or find another way. So I found another way. So if you struggle to cut fabric accurately, or if you have an injury like I did, an Accuquilt could be for you. And it will give you perfect cuts every time. In addition to the Accuquilt dies, which come in a variety of different types, such as applique shapes, English paper piecing shapes, strip dies, and specific patterns like Storm at Sea, there are the Accuquilt Qubes. This is my 12-inch Go Cube. And Cube is a mix and match set. And these can be used with each of their cutters. You can use this in the smaller cutters also because the dies that are inside are smaller. So they can easily be cut using the smaller cutters. In addition, there are add-on sets such as this is the classic set. So you will see it's another box. And the great thing about these is they come in these great boxes, so you don't have to worry about storing these. So let's have a look at the cube. I am gonna pull out this small box. And in this box, I have 3 different dies, and I have patterns for how to make them. I also have a cutting mat and a big pattern book for all of what I can make with this particular Go Cube. 3.5-inch square, very useful die to have around when you're cutting squares a lot, which we all do. A 3-inch finished triangle. You'll see there are 2 triangles there, so you can cut both triangles at the same time, as well as a 4 3/4-inch square on point. This all comes inside this cube. And let's look at the rest of it. Let me just put it back. You also get some bigger dies. So this is a 6.5-inch square. Again, we cut a lot of squares in quilting. A 6.5-inch half square triangle, cutting 2 at a time, and a 6-inch quarter square triangle. And last but not least, we have a 3 by 4 1/4 finished 45-degree parallelogram for a diamond, and a 3 by 6-inch finished rectangle. With all of these dies, you can make multitudes of projects. In addition to posting videos, I also send out a weekly email on quilting, including tips, tricks, tutorials, and more. Check out the description for the link to join today. Since you stuck around to the end, I have one last tip to share. Accuquilt Qubes come in block sizes from 4 inches all the way up to 16 inches. There really is something for everyone. So if you continuously make, say, 6 or 8-inch blocks, the Accuquilt Qube 8-inch or 6-inch would be a great option for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.